Past results are not necessarily an indication of future results, as market conditions may vary. In this video, I'll show the pound interest rate announcement 60 pips profit, pound USD London breakout 82 pips profit, and the pound yen channel breakout 185 pips profit, for a total of 327 pips in one trading day. This is the pound USD chart wherein I made about 82 pips. This is the pound USD chart where I made about 60 pips. And I'll show you these trades on a different charting platform because that's just more convenient. There you are, 60 pips right there. Now the same trade I'll show you on the TradeStation platform. You see that the vertical line is actually the New York close, and we had rectangle formation. We had support at the low right there just before New York close, which was 5875, and we had resistance at 5918. We had a break of the support. However, the timing was not in my favor. It was before London opened. I do not like to take trades before London opens. So London opens at 3 o'clock. Now I have to change my support to the low price before London open, and now once we had a breach of that line there, I went short. I should have in fact waited for a good break, but that's okay. Even a breach was fine, and I went short from there, and I held on to my short position for a little while. Let me just show that to you. In the big scheme of things, it went down, and that's where I exited. I exited at about 82 pips of profit. I'll just draw you the a horizontal line out there, and you can see the difference between the stop loss and the take profit level. Stop loss is about half of my total intended take profit, and we achieved a take profit pretty well. The pound USD, the second trade is different. I'll just get rid of the 78.6 fib level right now. We had news at 7, which caused the pound USD to spike up. The news was that they've left the interest rates unchanged, but they're going to do away with quantitative easing, or they're not going to have another round of quantitative easing. That was as expected, but the market yet decided to rally. I did not believe in this rally, and I decided to go short from what I expected to be the turning point. So when we had our reversal candles and we had a nice run down in price after a spike up, I drew my retracement line, and when it touched the 78.6 fib level of that retracement line, I went short. However, I did predict that maybe it could breach the high out there because the market was yet very volatile, and I kept my stop loss about 55 pips away. I'll just show you the levels there. At a level above the decent swing point. Let me just pull that up. Right, yeah. So I placed my stop loss beyond this swing point right here. I was normally targeting just 50, wanting to risk only 50, but he had this swing point. I decided to target maybe, risk about 55 pips rather than just 50 pips, just to be safe. And we went short. The market went against us for a little while, and then it moved into our favor, and we achieved our 60 pip target without any problem after that. Uh, so that's where I exited, and that's about it for this trade. Let's move on to the next trade. This is the pound yen. We had a nice rundown in price. Let me just show it to you in a bigger. This is a 60-minute time frame, and you see we have a nice rundown in price. I mean, this is where we were yesterday, and you see the 200 EMA is pointing downwards, and it's a nice resistance level. We had a channel, and we had a channel breakout. Let me just draw the channel real quick for you. You see this channel. I'll just make the lines so that it's easier to understand. The support and the resistance lines, which are parallel to each other. That's what is the definition of a channel. And this is again a 1 hour chart. You draw a parallel line, and you can see that the price kind of stayed within this trading channel till it hit the resistance, the 200 EMA, and then we had a breakdown of the channel. I went short at the breakdown, and I waited. I placed my stop at the upper end of the channel, which was higher than, which was about 100 pip stop loss. So I placed my stop loss at the right on top of the resistance level of the channel, and I targeted 180 pips, and we achieved that pretty well. Let's just look at things in perspective here. And it was pretty easy to achieve the trade setup. $180 pips. So that's how I made 182 pips here, 60 pips, and 82 pips, all in one trading day. If this is the kind of trade analysis you like to learn, you can join our mentorship program. If you're just interested in getting the trade signals as and when these trade setups happen, you can join our free signal services section. I hope you enjoyed today's presentation. Thank you.